Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. So today we will discuss about some things. Uh, Last day we will discuss about these things, right? Up to this point number 5. So today we will discuss about from that point number 6, which is project details, Django app, loose coupling, etc. So for this we have to open our app first. Let's open the comment portal and we have to open this also where we created our env. So we have to select this path and now we have to get into this and paste and activate. Now we are in the script which is activated, the env. So now we will open the project. So cd dot and along with our project name. So if you want to check that which projects are there, you can simply write dir. See, our project is here whose name is calculator. So now we will get into the calculator and open our project. So yeah, our project is open here. So in this project, just a second. Uh, yeah, our project is open here. In this project, you can see there is something. There is also a folder called project name. So when we create a project in uh, here, then we can see that in this project folder there are also a folder whose name is the same, which is the project name, and there are two things which is manage and db sqlite tree. But in this project folder there are something also, so we will know one by one. Let's open the VS Code. We can see here the same things. We can see here the same things. So we will know one by one. So first we will know what is Django. So Django is a backend framework. Just say. You can see here. You can note down this also. So Django is a backend framework. It has its own folder structure. So means Django has its own folder structure. And the framework provides a folder structure. Which is this structure? This is a structure. So now we will see. Just a second. I will split the screen and yeah. So first we can see, let's pull up this. Okay. So first we can see that here is a manage.py. So what is the manage.py? The file is needed to start the Django server. So the manage.py is very much important. The manage.py needed to start the Django server. Which server? This server. And this manage.py will execute different types of comments. So that manage.py is very much important. Now I will talk about this previously, that the same name of the our project. And now let's explain this. Yeah. First is init.py. What is init.py? This file will makes the current folder as Django module. So the init.py file will make the current folder as Django module. Now we will see these things. So first is asgi.py. So what is this? This sgi.py is asynchronous server gateway interface. So the sgi.py is asynchronous. By default, it is asynchronous, but it is not in communication with these things. Means the Django is provide the synchronous communication, and SGI is asynchronous communication. So we cannot connect this. We cannot use this in Django. When we can use this? Where we want to Django channel to implement, then we can use this asgi.py. So now we don't need this asgi.py. We can simply delete it. If you want, you can delete it also. So I will delete this. Okay, I will delete this. Now is WSGI, which is this. So the WSGI is web server gateway interface. This is by default, and this is Django uses this file for synchronous communication. So this is very much in use. So the WSGI.py is web server gateway interface, and this is by default we can get this WSGI, and this is synchronous communication because Django is synchronous. So this is very much in use. Now the another important thing is urls.py. This is also very much important. So what is urls.py? The Django provides navigation or routing via this file. So what did it say? That it means urls.py is sorry, urls.py will connect this Django to another file. So when we want to one file to one other file and one page to another page, then urls.py comes into the picture. It helps to connect those files. Now, the most important thing is settings.py. Here is this. Settings.py. Settings.py, the entire framework flow happen via this file. Means in this entire framework we will do something, and those total file will work via this settings for file. So it means we write anything in any this file, we have to use the settings.py because this is the workflow happens. This is how the workflow happens. And now we can see there is DB browser, which is DB SQLite 3. So this is a default database which Django is provided us. So this is a default database. So these things are very much important. Okay. Now what we will see? So we will know we knew the project details, and now the app came to this picture. We will know what is the app and what is loose coupling. We will know. But first, correct something. Which we have to correct? In the settings.py, there are so many codes. See, there are so many codes. But this huge amount of code we don't need. So, which code are needed? We will keep this, and the another one we will delete it. So, see this very manually. First, we will delete this command line. Okay. First, we will delete this command line. And then, base dir. This is very important. Base dir is very important. We will talk about later. And also, I will delete this command line. And now the secret key is also very important. This secret key is very much important. And we will also talk about later. And now came to the debug. Yes, if there will any error, we have to see this and we have to correct this. That's why the debug true is very much important. Now we will see these things, which is installed app. We need this installed app, but we don't need these things. We don't need these things. So we will delete this. We after sometimes we after sometimes we saw that how the install app will work. So now in this middleware function, in this middleware portion, we will delete this something. So we'll keep this only this CSRF middleware. So I will control X and this whole things I will delete it. Now I will paste this. Yes. And now I will keep this. In this template part, we also work on it after some time. We'll delete this and we'll keep this like this. We will keep this like this way. Okay. Just a second. We'll delete this actually, not full things. Yeah. Now it is okay. Yeah. We will delete the rest of the portion, but we need this. Yeah. And now, okay, let's delete this comment line also. And this total thing password, we don't need this. We didn't create any password, so we don't need this. So let's see. This is a very short amount of code here. But if we want to run this at this time, it will shows me error. Why? I'll talk. Okay. Let's clear the screen and let's run. See what will happen. Okay. Python space manage.py run. This is the command line. Yeah, this shows me some error. Which error? This is admin error. So why? We deleted admin from here, but we didn't deleted the admin from the URLs portal. That's why it shows some error. So we have to delete this admin path from here, and we also deleted these things. And now we can see that here some error is showing. Why? We have to change our path. We have to came to in our path. Yeah. Now it is perfectly okay. Let's run the code. Okay. I will stop the server. CLS and I will run it. See, this is absolutely okay. Our code is perfectly fine and it is run. So that's how we can correct this code in our app. Sorry, in our project. Now we will get to the app. So what is app and what is loose coupling? We will know this. So Django provides the app. An app is a web application that has a specific meaning in our project. So an app is a web application that has a specific meaning in our project, like a home page or connect form or a member database like some. Okay, let's open the browser and now we will see what is loose coupling is in Django. Okay, now we will see what is loose coupling. This is very much important. Let's see in this image. Okay, so in this image we see that there are two things. One is tight coupling, one is loose coupling. So what is the loose coupling? We create an app in Django by the use of loose coupling. So the app is very much important. I told you that app is an web application that has a specific meaning in your project. And we will create this app by the use of loose coupling. So what is the loose coupling? The loose coupling is a fundamental software design philosophy built into the Django's core architecture. Means, let's suppose this is a file, this is a file, this is a file, and this is a file. These files are not tightly connected. So if we change here in this file something, it won't change, it won't affect this folder. Also, if we change this something, there something, it won't affect those files. So this is called loose coupling. So there are less independency and less coordination. For this less coordination, we can work so easily. So this is loose coupling. Now we will see this how to create an app by the use of loose coupling. So when we will create the app, we have to in our project, because in our project the app will create it. So what is the command line? The command line is Python Django admin space start app along with the app name. So when we create our project, we write Django admin start project and project name. And in case of app, we will write Django-admin start app along with the app name. Suppose I give basic app and then hit enter. Yeah, our app is created. See, here is our app. So now app is created. The app is only created. But Django doesn't know about the app. We have to connect those two things. Our app is created, but Django don't know that what is the app and how we can use this. So we have to connect those things with the app and the project. So first we have to open the settings, because settings is very much important. Everything will work via settings. Now in this app portion, we have to write the app name, which is basic app. Okay, dot. Dot means we want to connect. Here dot means connection. We want to connect this basic app, means these things with the apps.py. Then it will connect it. So we have to write apps. Here we have to write apps. Means the file name. And we have to get into the apps and we have to select this class name. And this class name we have to paste here. We have to paste here. Just we have to just this portion. Control C and Control V. And now if we run the code, see, this is running. So this is absolutely running. So now we can create, in this video we can create a app. We'll know We knew the what is app and what is loose coupling, and we just connect this app with the project. And if you want to create another app, you also create. Let's see it. We also we will start. We have to start. Sorry, we have to stop the server, and same process. Admin start app. Suppose I gave scientific app. Now our app is created. Let's see. Yeah, our app is created. And now if we want to also connect this app with this with our project, then same process. So scientific app, you have to write this properly. You have to write this name properly. Dot, in this scientific app, we have to select this and paste here. And remember, we have to write this in this quotation. See, here these things, everything is in this quotation. Now we will run the server. Here, see, yeah, this is properly working. So our app is created and it will connect with this our project. This is for today. In the next day we will talk about something else. Talk about we will print the hello world, our name. You can print anywhere. In the next day we will see this. Thank you so much.